Welcome to Poolside Dreamer. Well, it's raining, just like I thought it might. Glad I got the garden planted yesterday, a little bit of it anyway. I watered in the bed pretty thoroughly, but still the water did not get in very deep, so I'm glad it's raining. And everything is wet. You see the water dripping off of the little porch roof here. Love it. Just absolutely love it. We gotta trim back these grape plants more. Finish cleaning out this area right in through here. I walk out here in the rain just for a minute. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm going back undercover. Nice lazy day. Not much for solar though. But that's okay. Love the sound of rain. Anyway, just a short. The solar EcoFlow Delta 2 Delta 2 Max was unable to connect to the internet. So I contacted EcoFlow and they sent me a return label. They're gonna fix it for me. It's a shame because everything else works, but I can't control it through the internet. So that's like far cry from yesterday. Yesterday was over 101 degrees, and today it's 78 currently, and about 11 o'clock. Well, that rain didn't last long. I did collect a 5-gallon bucket of water. Yeah, I know it's dirty. There was some compost stuck in the bottom of that. It's okay, it won't hurt anything. Sunny's right here, you can see. But over there, a lot of rain clouds yet all around us. I think most of the storm has passed for now, although there's a band coming this direction that might hit us, might go around us, I don't know. I'm glad everything got watered in thoroughly. Need to take this out of here though. Could be just a little too much water. They drain off harmlessly. Looking good. I wonder how deep the water got here. Let's see. Nope, not that deep. Looks like maybe ½ inch, if that. This ground is just so dry. It just sucks it right up. Hopefully I'll get some fall tomatoes. Now that it's cooling off, these potatoes might set. Whoa! This balance. I do that every once in a while now. Yeah, this grape plant is doing great. Cleaning up the tomato plant right here. Oh, I forgot to mention, September is my birth month. I've got to the ripe old age of 76. Not too bad for an old man who thought he wouldn't live past about 30, 35. I assumed if Vietnam didn't kill me, World War III would. And neither of them have happened, so I'm still putting along. I noticed yesterday when I filmed these, I didn't actually show the peppers. Tried to, but I missed them. You see, they're not very big, but there's a lot of them. And of course, looks like the birds got to this one right here. And this one. Don't need those. Oh, there's another one they got to. Anyway, that's life. Well, that lull didn't last long. Cloudy and rainy again. Suspected this was going to happen. I am kind of disappointed that the ground isn't thoroughly wet all the way down a few inches, but I just dug another spot in the garden and it's only about 1/2 to 3/4 inch down and hit dry dirt. So, I don't know. After the rains, I'll water it again. Well, anyway, bye.